Hey everyone, I want to introduce you to a website, the best AI-powered search engine out there. Our cutting-edge search engine that's taking the internet by storm. This best AI-powered search engine is brought to you by SMT Media. Welcome to SMT Media's YouTube channel. Today, we want to talk about your best AI-powered search engine. This best AI-powered search engine is brought to you by SMT Media. Phind is powered by large, proprietary AI language models that gather information from multiple sources, ensuring that you receive the most accurate and up-to-date information available. One thing to note is that they take your privacy seriously and never sell your information to third parties. They may anonymously log your search queries and their associated results to improve their product and machine learning models, but they never associate that information with personally identifiable data. If you're interested in making Phind your default search engine, they have step-by-step instructions available for all major browsers. And it's perfect for anyone who needs to find code snippets or answers to technical questions. Unlike other search engines, this best AI-powered search engine generates answers in easy-to-understand language, so you don't have to sift through long lists of results. Phind is not your ordinary search engine. It's an AI-powered tool that understands multiple languages, and it constantly updates its database to provide you with the most relevant and accurate information. Phind is user-friendly and intuitive, suggesting probable next questions to make your search more seamless and informative. With Phind, you'll not only get the primary results, but also alternative results on the right side of your screen, which helps you explore more options and find what you're looking for quickly to make the most out of Phind. Try asking detailed questions instead of just typing in a few keywords. Phind also offers search filters that let you specify the domains you want to see more or less of, so you can customize your search results. If you're a developer or someone who often has to deal with technical questions, Phind is optimized for you. It can generate answers based on information from multiple sources. Making your search for code snippets or programming solutions more effortless than ever before. And the best part is, Phind is entirely free. You don't need to sign up for an account to use it, and it has received high ratings from users all around the Their terms of service are straightforward and easy to understand, offering a range of online services and features for you to use to the fullest. They are always working to improve Phind, so if you have any feedback or suggestions, they would love to hear from you. Thanks for learning more about Phind with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to SMT Media's YouTube channel for more exciting updates and tips on how to get the most out of Phind. If you enjoyed this introduction to Phind, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. And as always, we welcome your feedback and suggestions, so feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and tips on how to get the most out of Phind. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. See you in the next video.